Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your name on iPhone lock screen. So just like what you're seeing down here, you see I'm able to add my name here. We're going to do the same thing. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to head over to the settings right here. And what you're seeing is this one. What you're going to look for is the focus option right here. Go ahead and click that one. And as you can see, I've enabled the focus for Vladimir. That is the name. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign right here, click custom, and then from here go ahead and type your name. So say for example I'm just going to add my full name right here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose green in this case. And down below you should be able to see here different emojis that you can use. Let's say for example I'm going to choose this one right here, click the next one, click customize focus, and then from here you can go ahead and make changes. So choose what you want to silence, choose what you want to see on the screen, and so many others. Once you're done with that, the next thing that you are going to do is just head over, or basically just scroll down from here, tap the focus right here on the lower left. In your case it might be different. And then from here, we're just going to go ahead and choose the new profile that we have chosen, just like so. And just like that, you should be able to put your name here on the iPhone lock screen. Again, this is a picture, by the way.